Our spaceports are constantly evolving to handle the growing needs of both our civilian and Nova Corps fleets. When it comes to feeding our population,
to share our Xandarian story with you here at Epcot.
We operate as a massive universal peacekeeping force. As you might expect, the Nova Corps maintains a strict trust chamber, like threat to the highest of crime. Both the Nova Corps and the Xandarian government are led by Nova Prime. They work for themselves.
Well, you guys are. And was that part of Peter Quill's plan? You mean the plan that didn't go according to plan? We were completely out of it. In the end, though, we were able to feed the road free. But we couldn't have done.
Greetings, Taz. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran community.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Good watch.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have you done?
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Big Bang! and welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new
Drax, it's an honor.